right now I should actually be getting warmed up for my 15th century dance workshop. Isn't that amazing? I love the fact that that's a thing that actually happens. Anyway, that's what I'm supposed to be doing right now, is warming up and getting ready for that. But then, yeah, of course, I ended up going back to the picture of the project, and I noticed something. While I was looking at the neckline and kind of wondering if I should, paint my nose green here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just being a jerk. As I was looking at their hair, I know I had previously commented that, I was a little bit surprised how much uncovered hair this is. And it definitely looks like their hair. I was just a little bit surprised that this wasn't a braid. And then I thought, well, maybe this particular artist wasn't great at drawing braids. So I started looking at some of the other pictures. I'm assuming this is a fairly noble lady based on what she's wearing and the fact that she's happy. And I guess this one is actually about joy. So that looks right. So I just continued looking through pictures where I saw that roll again to try and figure out what's going on in there. Here's another one. Based on her clothing, I don't necessarily think she's higher class or anything. I think she might actually just be another guild type worker. Basically, instead of looking at pictures of the clothing, I kind of fell down the rabbit hole of hairstyles. I mean, this one was kind of expected. Oh, this one's different. What is this about? What did she do with her hair here? Doesn't it look like it's pulled around? Look at her hair. What's going on there? I don't get it. Maybe maybe the artist didn't know how to draw braids, and that's what we're looking at. And then I saw this. Okay, very clearly that's a braid. So what am I looking at when I look at that other picture? Casually scrolling through some of the other pictures. Bees. All right, this is where I really wonder what's going on with this picture, because this looks like a braid. This looks like a braid that has been pulled over top. And what is this? This looks like the hair has been pulled across. So what the hair is that? What is this? What is it? Is it rolled? Is it gathered? What are they doing here? There's so many pictures of ladies with hair like this particular thing, that I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's super cute. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm going back to this one. This one, again, is something that looks like it's been pulled around, and there's something gathered here, but it doesn't look like this is another piece of fabric. It looks like her hair, right? What am I looking at here? Does anybody know? I'm really confused by this picture. Oh, see that hair? It's been gathered, and definitely it looks like it's crisscrossing. What's going on here? Does anybody know what this hair is? Is this the beginning of like a hair taping thing? I don't know what's going on here, but I'm going to have to figure it out, because I thought it was going to be a braid over top. But I don't think that's what it actually is. Oh, I also just want to say how much I adore this wedding scene with the flowers in her hair. She's very clearly got something going on right here, and then she's got hair down. That's really pretty. What is going on here? I mean, I can see that there's definitely a little bit of a shout out to like this person's hair is really clean and well, like there's no little fringe coming down. So you know how it is. You put your hair in a braid and there's little wispy bits coming out afterwards. But what is this? Is this a hair wrap where it went over top? It's different than what I expected. I don't remember seeing anything specifically like this. I know that the definite style is to cross the hair over top of the head, but I'll say I'm a little bit confused by what I'm looking at here. I'm going to have to try and mess with it, because I don't really know what I'm looking at. This is going to be fun, or a lot of stupid. Not sure which.
I guess I'm trying this. So, middle part. I have a less modern brush that I would normally use, but hey, why not? Oh, with the mic there. This might not be the greatest plan. Oh well, it is what it is, right? Okay, so I have my hair in two. I have longish hair. It is just not that thick. I have seen a few videos on how to braid my hair and then do the overwrapping braids, but those aren't braids. So what are they? So I'm going to try a few things and see how it goes. I don't think it's going to go the way I think it's going to go. I'm going to try it without a twist, and then I'll try it with a twist. I think without a twist, life is going to get funny. I think if I were going to show you guys how to do this, I probably wouldn't have chosen the chocolate brown ribbon, which is, by the way, not the easiest color to find at the craft store. And if you wanted to try this, maybe just try it with, my first time I tried it was just with a piece of yarn that I had. So, without hitting the mic constantly, I am going to, I kind of need to twist this to, I really want a hair elastic. I really think that this would work best with a hair elastic right here. So I'm going to simulate the elastic by wrapping it around, whoop, once right here, just to give it an anchor. It's going to slide. I can guarantee that this thing's going to slide. But hey, now I've got one of an adorable pigtail happening. So let's see how this goes. I am going to take this, see, it's already slipping, and try and move this way. Why do I feel like this should already be here? This has to be twisted. I don't know. Oh, look, a clip. This is totally period, right? To use a clip to keep your hair up. Yeah, I'm wasting it. Okay, so I now have this. Oh, look, it's trying to sneak out. I'm going to twist it away from my face just a little bit and do the same thing where I come around. I'm going to wrap it to give myself the other side. And, oh, why is this one so much thicker? Maybe it's just not brushed as nice as the other one. Maybe that's the key. Don't brush your hair so much. That sounds terrible, and I don't like it. No, that's just terrible. I'm giving it a gentle twist because I just don't see. This looks crazy. How this is gonna work? Yeah, I'll clip it back here. Okay, 2 clippy bits. Because I know that with the other ones, it always works better if you go back and then forward, so your hair has something to kind of hang out against. I'm going to use one of these knitting thingamabobbers and put it through here. Hopefully, oh god, for a moment I thought I got too thick of ribbon. Whoop. And let's try this. Okay, removing this clip. Bink. Let's see if this works. This looks insane. What the hell am I doing? Oh my god. Okay. And again. Whoop. I mean, is it actually working? It's a little messy, but is this actually working? Oh man. Oh, I'll have to twist it a little funny. Let's see if I can. I mean, for all the things that I'm worried about, is a twist really it? Yes, actually, it's trying to be insane. But hey, I never claimed to be the model of sanity. Okay. Group. Poke it in here. All right. I'm just going to stop right here for now, and I don't want to tighten it too much. Holy crap, is this actually working? Why is this actually working? This was my throwaway guess. Oh my god, this is working. Okay, other side. Make sure that I do this right. I want to do this from back here a little bit. Oh, I forgot to take a clip out. Oh yeah. The derp is strong with this one. Okay, that's better. And then, why not? Go right there. Why not? On the other side. Now, I know that they're supposed to be rounder, but hey, where they cross over. That's kind of cute. Okay. Huh. What am I supposed to do at the ends? Okay, well, let's finish sewing this thing in my hair. Oh man, the stupid things I do to try and figure out what the heck someone did in the Middle Ages. Okay. I mean, it's messy and it's caused the back of my hair to be a little bit messy. But other than this little bit here that is left over, I bet you I could just, if I was thinking about it ahead of time, I just would have tucked it in here. Then what do I do with these? Oh, I just tied it in the back. Did that, I think this might have actually worked. Why am I so surprised? Okay. Was this, oh, that bow was a little, okay, whatever. The placement needs work, but I think it worked. I mean, insane. It worked. I mean, do I need to practice? Absolutely, but I didn't braid it, and it's not going, well, the flyaways. I don't think it's going anywhere. I mean, it's pretty stable, and then where it actually crosses here, it doesn't do that in the picture. It only does the single loops. That said, where it does cross is stinking cute. Yeah, so it's actually possible. Interesting. I'm going to play with this and see if I can't get a picture. Maybe what I should have done is done it with a different color. I've tried it with a cream color, and I think it actually looks really cute. The thing I've just realized is I did this just going one direction, and it is, other than this part where I probably should have come more often, I think it's actually closer to the picture. So I'm wondering if somehow they did this only going in a single direction.